guys, welcome to your favorite channel and I am Preeti, your travel guide. Friends, today I will take you to the famous Harishankar temple of Balangir district in Odisha state, a famous place of pilgrimage. Before starting the video, let me tell you the history of Harishankar temple. Harishankar is a combined word of both Hari and Shankar. Hari means Lord Vishnu and Shankar means Lord Shiva. Hari Shankar, that means Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu is combinedly or unitedly seen here, and for that reason the temple is named as Hari Shankar. Guys, I am uploading the raw video without making any editing so that you can feel the sound of birds, mountains and everything, and feel the nature closely. If you are a nature lover, I suggest you must visit Harishankar at least once. Friends, Harishankar temple is situated on the top of Gandhamardan mountain. The distance of Harishankar temple from Balangir is 72 kilometers approximately. The nearest railway station to visit the temple is Harishankar Road, which is about 32 kilometers. Ample communication facilities are available from Harishankar Road to the temple. Guys, you can hire anything from Harishankar Road to Harishankar temple, like auto, like taxi, anything. Friends, as you can see in the video, here is a pond named Harishankar Pond, where devotees take their bath before going inside the temple. Camera is not allowed to the main temple of Harishankar, otherwise I could have shown you the rarest thing, that is one natural spring flowing over the head of Lord Shiva continuously. Prasad Sevana facilities is here also available in the temple by paying the cost. One is special and other is general. Friends, Harishankar temple was constructed by the king of Patnagarh named Maharaja Bijjaldev Chauhan, belongs to Chauhan dynasty in 14th century. Historians say that in order to free Arjuna from the curse of Gohatya, Lord Krishna advised him to arrange oblation or havan and invite Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. Both Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva were present at the oblation or havan, and from that day onwards both Lord Hari and Shankar, I mean Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva, were being worshipped unitedly, and the place was named Harishankar. Guys, which I am showing you now is the dancing statue of Lord Ganesha of 12th century. Moreover, Harishankar is a peaceful place surrounded by forests and mountains. Guys, you can see lots of monkeys within the temple premises. You must be aware of them, for they are snatching things and food items from you. Guys, now I am in the temple premises and you can see a statue of Lord Hanuman here. Friends, the most tourist attraction of Harishankar is the waterfall. I mean the natural fountain flowing from Gandhamardan mountain. An extraordinary happiness can be felt by the visitors by taking a cool bath with sliding on the streaming ground. It is an ideal place for the visitors in the summer season. One can feel refreshed by taking bath in it. People believe that by taking a bath in the fountain or stream and worship the Lord Harishankar, one can free from all sins. The beauty of the perennial stream enchanting the visitors to explore the beauty of the stream, mountain, forest, and to worship Lord Harishankar. Tourists and devotees from various parts of the country often visit Harishankar. From time immemorial, it is believed that all wishes will be fulfilled if one visits Lord Harishankar. Friends, one deer park is also here, but this may make the video too long. So, my dear friends, I promise you to show the same in my next video. One can stay in Harishankar for enjoying its natural beauty for a couple or more days. Guest house facility, parking place for vehicles, washroom facility, every sort of facilities are here available at Harishankar. There are many shops and vendors and people can purchase their daily needs, craft items, stationery items without any problem.
आईଥିଲେ তো আমার কাঁদি খাইতে তখন তো কইলাম নাই নাই
So guys, now it's the time to make you know about the nearest airport to visit Harishankar. 3 airports are nearer to Harishankar. The first one is V. Surendra Sai Airport, Jharsuguda. The second one is Biju Patnaik International Airport, Bhubaneswar. And the third one is Vivekananda International Airport, Raipur. With this I end this video right here. Please keep watching this channel. I always making such type of traveling videos for you guys. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, hit a like and share the link. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified for my new videos like this. Okay guys? So see you soon in next video. And till then, take care. Bye bye.